Okay, we're going to go in and take a look at a sales order, and we're just going to choose a customer, and we'll just say this is a test unit of measures. Put it down for today's date. I'm going to have a part called Auto 1. I'll show you the setup of that in a second. And we're going to go in and have 24 boxes of 20, which is 480 pieces, and we'll charge $50 a box. Okay, so before we go any further, we'll look at the Auto 1 part, and under here it says it's packaged in a box -20. It's 20 eaches per box, and then there's 4 boxes on a wooden pallet. Okay, so let's go in and save that. I won't bother sending that to my test customer. Now we've got this document up here, and what we want to do is ship it. And when we ship it, we want to just click the add button. And again, I'll ignore the email. And then I want to right click here and I want to look at the packing. And what we can see down in here is that we've got 6 packages, all in wood pallets, and there's each one of them has 4 boxes on it. Okay, and if we did take a look at that on here, we would see, 6 wood pallets and quantity of 4, and it gives us a total weight. So this is how a user would go in and use the automated calculation of the packaging using units of measure.